Alright folks, I'm here at the intersection of La Palma and Valley View, and it's 1:51 a.m. So let's see if we can find any action. I came here in the daytime and I said that this was a non-tweaker area, but somebody in the comments said go back in the middle of the night and there'll be some activity. So let's see what we can find. Alright, here's the Chevron gas station. No apparent activity yet. Yeah, by the way, it's Tuesday, July 28th, 2026. Oh, there we go, straight ahead. Somebody's walking with a safety vest or whatever. Alright, here's Smart and Final. Closed, of course. Then if I look this way, got a car. Here's the drive-thru of El Pollo Loco. And here's the car. Yeah, In-N-Out Burgers is closed. Obviously, because it's going on 2 o'clock in the morning. But there you go. There's some people. Wait, let me get a better view. I don't know if these are just random people or if they're the closing shift for In-N-Out Burger. There they go. This is one of the few times you'll see it empty In-N-Out Burgers. They're usually pretty crowded. At least the drive-in. Man, I have seen like tweaker activity here before. But you know, it's nothing to... That was in the daytime. I want to see what's going on at night. Here it is, Starbucks. At around 2 a.m. Comfy couch. I can see those snacks. Yeah. Starbucks. In the middle of the night. Well, they got books. Oh, that's funny. At nighttime, check this out. At nighttime, they lock up their outdoor furniture, so nobody just comes in a truck and drives off with it. That's pretty funny. Singular tree. Here's a cart. Some old ads in a plastic bottle. Okay, now I'm going to go check the dark alley behind the grocery store. Okay, here I am in a dark alley. I'm gonna try to be at least a little stealth. Here we go, here we go. Let's see what's around the corner. So far, nothing. Yeah, I see a few carts left out, but no, nothing in particular. Okay, I think I might have an idea. An office chair in a liminal space. Classic. And then here's a vacuum cleaner and a broken couch that you definitely wouldn't want to take home. What is that, like a gaming chair? I see something darting in the darkness. Looks like an orange cat, but it could be anything. Okay, loading and unloading area. Very good. Well lit, no need for flashlight in this spot. As you can see, nothing too out of the ordinary. Pallet jacks, or pallet things, whatever they're called. Let's see, right here. Huh. Yeah, I thought there might be somebody right here. But no. Man, I don't even see signs of activity. Yeah, the cops must keep them away. They probably just passed through here. Oh, you know where they're at? Is they're down that way near the grocery store. That's where they're at. They stay away from this spot. Matter of fact, I'll go to that grocery store last, just to compare it to this spot. See, it's just a worker. Okay, and over there is the intersection of Valley View and La Palma, and here's a bus stop. And here we have the Dollar Tree, closed for the night. Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10. Yeah, check it out. Keep it moving. Okay, here's something, but I don't think it's hobo or tweaker related. Could be. Bunch of ants inside of it. Some birds of paradise plants. Pallets. Now let's see this little business area. Oh yeah, this is a nice area. I've been here before. Let's see, what restaurant is this? Let's see. check out this place. Oh, they sell Pepsi instead of Coke. That's amazing. Yeah, here it is. A full sign of all the businesses. La Palma Collection. Oh, how bougie. How hoity-toity. The La Palma Collection. Right here near Popeyes, the other side of the sign. Straight ahead in the darkness, there's a shambling figure talking to himself. Listen really carefully, maybe you can hear him. Yeah, he's looking in the trash can at the bus stop. Alright, I'm on my way to La Palma and Knott Avenue. Let's see what's going on there. Alright, what's this? Yeah, look at that. Looks like somebody's school papers or something. Oh, look, then pants. Yeah, this is some signs of activity. Look, you can see somebody. Watch. Here, right there. You can see somebody walking in that alley. I don't know if that was a security guard. I can hear people. Yeah, I'm not even gonna shine the light. Yeah, look at that. I noticed in the daytime there's lots of panhandlers. Yeah, right here. The Superior Grocery. Yeah, but I don't see much activity right now. Yeah, right here. Last time I was here, I saw somebody sleeping right here. I don't know, I guess they clear them out every now and again. Then they go somewhere else. Yeah, see. I don't even know if this is activity. This is just people cleaning out their cars. I don't know, maybe this is activity. Look at all that. There you go. 2 people just chilling there. And then there's somebody just hanging out in that car right there. It's well lit at the AM PM. And there you have it, folks. The follow-up of the intersection of La Palma and Valley View, and also Valley View and Knott Avenue.